Hey, welcome back to another Nomad Bike Rider video. Today we're in Lexington, Ohio. When I crossed into the border, into the state of Ohio yesterday, I gave a fist bump. I don't know why. I just was excited to finally come to Ohio. I'd never been here. So I've got a 31-mile bike ride loaded into the Ride with GPS on the Garmin there, and it looks like a fun route. I'm back to being solo after 2 glorious days in upstate New York with the Niagara Frontier Bicycle Club. That was really good. Sunday was a real barn burner. It was a great ride. Super pumped and that I got to do that with those guys, and saw the Niagara Falls, as you hopefully saw on video. What was that, Saturday after the first ride with those guys. So anyway, long story short, I'm excited to be in Ohio. I'm gonna just pedal on out of here and see what we find. That's pretty much what we do, isn't it? So hope you're having a good morning, and I'm gonna sit on the front and break the wind for you. So grab a wheel and let's go ride our bikes.